Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a video from a USB flash drive to a Mac computer on terminal using terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a USB flash drive, which can be 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 1 terabytes in capacity, but we're not worried about that as the file is less than 1 MB. We also need to know how to use terminal as well as the terminal commands. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, open up Finder. Let's now insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer. Let's just wait for that to load. There it is on screen. Let's just click on Kingston within locations. And there we have the video, 51 seconds long. Right click the video, get the information. And there we have the video, 561 kilobytes in size. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Launchpad, search for the command prompt, terminal, enter, open that up. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size using Command plus a couple of times. Let's now clear everything on screen. Let's now change directory to the desktop. CD desktop / ls-l to list everything on the desktop. Let's now navigate to volumes and Kingston. CD /v tab k semicolon ls-l to list everything within the Kingston USB. So there is video.mp4. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, decrease the size of the Finder window. Let's now move the Finder to the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's go back to terminal. The command to move the video from the USB Kingston flash drive to the desktop is mv for move. The video name, v tab, and now the location. How do we do that? Well, option N for tilde / desktop, enter, and now the video will jump from where it was to the desktop. Already done. Let's now decrease the size of the terminal window, and there we see the video jumped from the Kingston USB all the way to the desktop. So let's go back to the terminal window, clear everything on screen, change directory, quit terminal, quit Finder, go back to the Kingston USB, eject the Kingston USB, wait for that to be removed and ejected. Remove the USB flash drive from the Mac computer. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.